In need of assistance? How about virtually? Zooming in, we have Miss Morgan Marie McFarlane from Assist Me, Virtual Assistant Company, to tell us about what virtual assistant really is and how useful or important it could be to you. Morning, Morgan Marie, and let me tell you straight up front, so me's a dunce but you know, so I'm not on the social media thing, so I have no idea what we're talking about here. Morning, I hope all is well with you. Great to have you with us this morning.
Hi, morning. Thanks for having me.
It's our pleasure. So who is a virtual assistant?
Quite literally, someone who offers administrative help or just, it actually depends on the business, but it's really just somebody who is there to give admin support to a business who may be in its fundamental stages, so you don't have the availability to an office space, so you can't hire a large amount of staff. But you yourself as a business owner have reached a place where you are overwhelmed and you just need somebody who can work alongside you to achieve whatever goals it is that you or your business has.
Okay, so you're basically, let's use me. So you're my assistant, but because we don't have office and we have to stay home and thing, you just do it. So I call you and I say,
It's a remote situation, right?
right. So I say, Morgan Marie, I want you to do so and so and so and so for me, and you sort me out online, I suspect.
Right. And this could be project based as well. So don't think of it as just as a literal assistant. You can think of it as something that's project based. You have something that you need somebody to help you with for 3 months, and you can just work within a time frame. Or if it is that you want somebody to be on board with you, as I said, it depends on the type of work that you have. So I have a lot of my clients who work in, let's say, hair and nails industry, and they don't need an office, they rent a booth, but they need someone to help them with scheduling on a daily basis. That's
Yeah.
where a virtual assistant will come in.
Yeah, some people think that online learning and stuff like that just started because of the virus, but people have been getting degrees and stuff online for many moons, right?
That's right.
So,
And I've actually been virtual assisting for over 3 years now. So
yeah,
you
which
can
is,
just
I'm not hearing you. You just dropped just now, which is, I was leading to a question. So is it since COVID that you started this, or you've been a virtual assistant before that?
No, I've been doing it for about 3 years now as a way to just have, it's just like my hustle basically. It's my way to make extra money, to work alongside the fact that I also work like everyone else. I have a 9 to 5, and so I do this virtually because I myself am unable to be in office with a lot of these businesses that I work with. So it's just a way to make ends meet for me, basically, and
Yeah,
I love it.
yeah,
And I've been doing it for way longer than the pandemic.
yeah. Without telling me the companies and stuff, give me an idea of something that you do virtually.
Sure. So, as I was explaining earlier, I work with a lot of persons who are in hair and nails in the beauty industry. These people tend to rent a booth, or they work from home, or they have their own area that they work from, but they are unable to communicate with clients daily who have questions, who want to book with them. And so that's where my job comes in. I am the middle person, the bridge, to ensure that communication is constant with these companies, so that persons feel like they're being engaged all day. I help to book their appointments, so all they have to do really is to just show up, just go to work,
Yeah,
because I've already sorted out the day.
yeah. We already said that you've been doing this before COVID, but I, I don't know. Do you have more work since COVID? Because so many people.
Yeah, definitely, because as we all know, everything right now is on a very virtual platform. And so there are just some situations for some businesses where they are unable, they have to rethink everything that they're doing. And so you're unable to have people come in on a daily basis, and you need some extra help with something, as I said, project based. So I would be like a contract worker basically. So I would work for a certain amount of time to assist you to complete this project that you have, and then you can either renew your contract or move on to something else. I mean, it's any way of life, really
Yep.
and truly.
And I suspect your cost or your fee would depend on what you're asked to do. Or is it
That's right.
it's not just a
That's right.
one cost. As I call you and you say $10, it's not just a one cost.
Right. And again, because it's a virtual situation, some things will require an hourly rate. which is mostly based on our project-based situation.
Yeah.
I have different rates depending on what it is that the person is trying to achieve.
Yeah. You said already it's a side hustle. You plan to do this full time or no?
Oh, that's my dream in life. I just want to reach a place where I am a company that persons can approach to say, listen, I'm starting a business and I need somebody who's capable of doing XYZ, or I have a project that's coming up and I need somebody who can work with me for 3 months, 6 months. And I would be the platform that you come to get an assistant that would be within my caliber of work, someone that I would trust to, give you as an employee. That's really what I want to do.
Yep. Within your caliber of work, which would suggest that certain things you would say, I don't have that expertise?
No, it's that I have a certain level of care for the persons that I work for. Being a virtual assistant, you can't think of it as just some other job. You have to remember that these people are looking to you to be their writing hand or their extra arm. They are, their companies are their babies. Most of the time, I'm working with people who have just started their company, and so they have been running it for a certain amount of time. You have to have that same level of love and appreciation and belief in what it is that they're trying to achieve. And so I always approach everybody who, is interested in working with me. I make the effort to get to know them, to understand what it is that they're about, what they're trying to achieve, because we have to be on the same level so that we can achieve the same goal with the same love.
Okay.
It's definitely a love project.
Yeah. How do I find Assist Me Marie?
Well, you can either send me an email at assistmemarie@gmail.com. It's the same name for all of my social media. So you can check me out on Instagram at assistmemarie.
Why isn't it Assist Me Morgan?
Well, the me and the Marie kind of have a team. So I think that would be cute.
Yeah, I thought so. Assist Me Marie. It don't sound the same as Assist Me Morgan. Assist Me Marie. Great to meet you. I'm happy that you have work because a lot of us, well, I shouldn't say us because I do, but a lot of folks have not been able to do what they normally do because of the pandemic. So I'm happy that you are one person who seems to be flourishing in it. So stay safe, look after yourself, and God bless you. Thanks for speaking with us this morning.
Thank you
all right?
so much.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it.
Morgan Marie McFarlane from Assist Me Marie, and it's a virtual assistant company. Here's another exclusive performance by Renee, cover called Everlasting God. Watch this.